Have you ever noticed someone who almost never posts on social media?
No selfies, no life updates, no constant online presence.
In a world where everyone shares everything,
These people choose silence. But here's something interesting. That silence is not weakness.
in fact, psychology suggests it may be a powerful personality signal. Let's break it down.
First, they value peace over attention. While many people chase likes, comments, and validation, private individuals protect their mental energy.
They don't rely on notifications to feel important. Instead, their happiness comes from within. Psychologists call this internal validation. It means you feel secure without needing constant approval.
Second, they usually know who they are. People who post less often have strong self-identity. They understand their values, their goals, their priorities.
And because of that, they compare themselves less to others. Less comparison means less stress.
Third, real confidence is quiet. It doesn't shout, it doesn't prove, it doesn't perform. Many private people don't feel the need to display every achievement online. They celebrate wins privately. And psychology links this behavior to emotional stability.
They feel complete without an audience. Fourth, they think before they share. Before posting anything, they pause. They ask themselves, does this really matter? They prefer meaningful conversations over quick reactions.
For them, quality connection is more valuable than digital visibility. And finally, they understand the illusion of social media. Most platforms show highlight reels, filtered smiles, perfect angles, carefully selected moments. But that's not the full story. People who stay quiet online often recognize this distortion. So instead of competing with edited realities, they step back. They choose authenticity over performance, and peace over pressure. So the next time you see someone who rarely posts their life online, don't assume they're shy or disconnected. They might simply be grounded, self-aware, emotionally intelligent. Because true confidence isn't about being seen everywhere. It's about being comfortable even when no one is watching. If you enjoy understanding why people think and behave the way they do, subscribe. Because here, we don't just scroll through people's lives. We decode their minds.